Everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get your driver's license in Arkansas. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about everything. So watch until the end of the video. Also, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section and answer the questions that you guys know from different questions in the comment section. So you have to study the driver's manual, study the Arkansas driver's manual, and you have to get the written driver's test, and you have to take it like there's two places that you can take it from, and you have to go and take it like there's a practice one. It doesn't work, but if you go to internet, just search up written driver's test for practice Arkansas. Make sure that you go to the right location, and it might change. So when you're watching this, it might change, so be careful. Yeah, if you pass the written test, you will be given a learner's permit, which is called a permit. Easy. And you do not have the permission to drive alone, and you have to wait. And after you get your learner's permit, you have to hold it for 30 calendar days if you're over 18. If you're not over 18, it's different. I'm talking about over 18. And after you get it, you have a test that you have to take. It's a road test that you have to drive the car next to an instructor, and it will show you how to do it. And you can schedule an appointment online here, which is the website telegov.egov.com. You can schedule an appointment, you can make an appointment, and make sure to choose the closest location. Also, make sure that you're getting the right service. So, if you're trying to get a learner's permit, choose the learner's permit, like a road test for learner's permit. Don't go for CDL or other things, or they won't accept it. And after you take your driving test, you get your driver's license, which is very easy. And I want to show you guys how to get the appointment, also the things that you need to obtain your license. So, Arkansas driver's license documents. So to get your driver's license, you need to show your social security number. If you don't have it, get an alternative. Proof of your identity. So it's like you have to show your green card, passport, or anything that shows that you're legal in the United States, and also legal presence of you in the USA. And also you can bring documents from your house, like your electric bill, your internet bill. It shows that you are a real person, that you're living in Arkansas. So let's schedule an appointment to show you guys. So you click here and then schedule appointment, make an appointment, and then you have to press on schedule driver's license or written test here. Um, and it will ask you some questions, and make sure to get the documents needed. Just make sure that you have them and watch other videos about the about getting your driver's license, and ask your other friends to see if they get it or not, and make it, do it. And then we're gonna click on continue, and then you have to like click on the things. You have to like fill out your information, which I cannot right now. And basically this is it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask, and don't forget to subscribe because we're uploading videos about like making money online. And I know that you have an entrepreneur face, so make sure to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.